Elections are now 1 week away. Massachusetts voters chose their candidates in the primary for November during voting yesterday.
NBC 10's Jared Pelletier joins us now with Massachusetts primary election results. Good morning, Jared.
Good morning, Allison and Frank. We've got results from races for governor, the U.S. Senate, and Congress as well. We're going to start with one that's considered an upset. Longtime Congressman Michael Capuano has conceded his...
Excuse me, Jared, your microphone's off, so we'll take over till they can straighten that little technical race out. As you can see me there.
Double.
Yeah, I walked over to Jared to see if his voice could be picked up by my microphone, but anyway, here's the story. Longtime Congressman Michael Capuano has conceded his race to the Boston City Councilwoman Ayanna Pressley. Capuano has never lost before, and if Pressley is elected, she'll become the first black woman Massachusetts has ever sent to Congress. There is no Republican candidate in this race. For the Republican candidate for governor, incumbent Governor Charlie Baker, easily